Hello my dear students, so how are you? Hope you are doing very well. Okay, so welcome back to this class, and today we are going to discuss the HCF. Okay, so actually what happens after learning the prime number, composite number, prime factorization, all these things, we have to learn about the HCF and LCM, and these are very confusing topic. Okay, many students face problem here, so today we are going to learn the HCF. So first, HCF full form. So highest common factor. What is the full form of HCF? Highest common factor. So kindly watch this video completely, then you can understand whole concept regarding HCF. Got this? Yes, sir. So we find the HCF. How many method? 4 method. Actually, in many books there are only 3 method: factor method, prime factorization method, division method. But common division method not in all books. Okay, but this is also one method. So total how many method we are going to learn? Sir, 4 method. Okay, first come full form of HCF. So highest common factor, that we understand, sir. After it, what we have to do? 4 method we have to learn. Right now we will take one example and try to solve by using all 4 method, and we will get the same answer. Okay, so one by one we will do. So first we remember, if anyone asks total how many method to find HCF, so we simply say 4 method, not we say 3 method. So first method is called what? Factor method. Second method is called what? Prime factorization method. Third method is called what? Division method. And fourth method is, sir, common division method. Okay, but this all 3 we learn and forget, that's no problem. This we have to keep in our mind. Okay, so what we will do, we will continue with this one. Okay, so if in exam question come, write the find the HCF by using the factor method, then only we go with factor method, otherwise we go with division method. Okay, so this you understand there. Now after that, so we are going to learn one question. So here we write find HCF of 24 and 36. Okay, we are taking the small number 24 and 36. Now first we go with factor method. So method 1, that is called factor method. So here we write 24 and we write all factor of 24. It means what? In which table 24 is coming. So first it come in one table, so here we write 1. Now it go in 2 tables, so we write here 2. Now it go in 3 tables, so we write here 3. Now it go in 4 tables, so we write here 4. 5 table not go. Now 6 table, yes, 6 table go. 7 table not. 8 table, 9, 10 not, 12 and 24. Now 36. So 36 go in which table? Sir, 1 table go, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 6 table, 9. After 9 what come? 18 and 12 also. 12 also, 18 and 36. Now we write the common factor. What we write here? All common factors. So what are the common factors here? Common means what? That come in both. Sir, 1 is coming, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So we write here all common factors. So we write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So in this, which one is the highest one? Highest common factors. So highest common factor, that we say HCF. So here highest one is what? 12. So our HCF is going to be 12. So this is method 1 that we completed. So till now no any problem. Now method 2. Method 2 is what? Method 1 we completed. Now we are going to learn the method 2. And what is the method 2? Prime factorization method. Okay, we write here method 2. Same question we are taking here. Find HCF of 24 and 36. See, for a small number, this is also good method. But when we are getting the greater number, so this method is not good. Okay, it take long time and even maybe confusion. So kindly go with division method. After this method, I will explain you division method. No need to worry. So here 24 and 36. So we write 24 as the prime factorization. That we say at the product of prime number. So first it go in two table. How many times, sir? 12 times. So we write here 12. Now it go in how many times? 6 times. Now how many times? 3 times. Now 3 1 time. Same here 36 we write here. How many times first we go? 18 times. We are dividing with 2. Nothing special. Now 9. Now 3 3 3 1. So we now write at the product of prime number. So 24. So instead of writing 24, can we write here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. And instead of writing 36, what we can write here? 36 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. See, all are the prime number. When you multiply and get 24, like see, 2 times 2 that is 4, 4 times 2 that is 8, 8 times 3 24. If you multiply here 2 times 2 that is 4, 4 times 3 that is 12, 12 times 3 36. So that's why this is called the product of prime number. Getting or not? Yes, sir. Now here we check which one is the common. So here 2 is common, this 2 is common, and 3 is common. So in this method, what we write? HCF is equals to 2 into 2 into 3. We multiply all. Here we are writing only highest because this is factor, but this is a factorization. So 2 times 2 that is 4 and 4 times 3 that is 12. See, we get the same answer now. Here 12, here 12. So method 1, method 2 we learn very well. Okay. Now we are going to learn the third method. What is the third method? That is, sir, what? That is called division method. Our favorite. That we have to learn very, very carefully. Okay. So question will be same only. Now we write in the division format. So 24 and 36. Now tell me how many times it go? I know 24 2 times 48. So it not go. So it should go one time only. So we write here 24. We get 2 1. Now remainder what we get, that become divisor and this come as the quotient. Okay. Now this come as the dividend. Now here in 12 table 24 is coming. Yes, sir. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. So here we write on the top 24 and put here 0 0. We have to do this process till we get 0 0. But here we luckily get the only 2 step. That's okay. Sometimes it take 3 step, 4 step, 5 step. We will do. So here we write HCF is equals to 12. What we get answer, now this is our answer. This is not. This 12. Last divisor is our answer. So that we completed method 3. This is what? Method 3. Done. Now we are going to learn method 4. This is very useful method. This we have to learn. Now method 4. Method 4. Same I will write here. Same number. Find HCF of 24 and 36. We write like that. On prime factorization, we are writing separate. Here we write together. And we have to check which number that both go. So both go in two table now because here ending with 4, here ending with 6. So in two table it come 12 and this come 18. Again it go in two table. Both should be go. If one is going, other is not going, we can't take this one. So it come 6, it come 9. Now in 2 table this is going, this is not going, but in 3 table both is going. So we write here 3, 2, 3. Now it's not go. So HCF is only this part. When we learn LCM, we multiply this one also, but in HCF we write only this one. So HCF is equals to 2 into 2 into 3. So that become 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3, that is 12. So in this way we learn the 4 method. You can take any number and try to solve by using all these 4 methods. Okay, if you face any problem, please let me know. I will work on that and we will do. Okay, so keep practicing. We meet in the next class with some different topic, and the name of that topic is what? LCM. So ready for next class. Bye bye.